Hi everyone, here I am showing you how to put on your mascara makeup step by step. Here I am with just my mango as my color correct on my face. I've used it all over my face just to even it out. Now I have my contour on. I'm using Astoria. That really defines the face. Now my brightener's on, and that is in Candlelit. And that'll really brighten the face, as you can see, down the nose, under the eyes, the middle of the forehead. Now it's all blended together with my Perfector sponge. How beautiful. It really comes together. Eyebrows, using Astoria. Now my Bella bronzer, love it. I just really think it just adds a glow to your face. Now we'll do Peppa eyeshadow. And then it's Coco on the eyelids too. Blend it in, and I blend it underneath my lashes too. And it's a great tool to have this. Here is my Maybelline gel liner. I use that only on the top and kind of wing it out. I think it came out really pretty. Hollywood blush is on next. It's a beautiful color for spring and summer. Now we have it on the lips. Just a little pop of color. My Angel Illuminator is on. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. If you liked the video, please like it below and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know and I'd be happy to answer them. I hope everyone has a great day.